With expectations of harvesting more than 190 million tons of tomatoes in the 2025 season, this crop is grown in over 170 countries, making it one of the most widely cultivated on the planet. Harvesting methods vary depending on their intended use. For fresh market tomatoes, farmers must harvest quickly during the peak season, typically from June to October. Workers hand-pick each fruit by gently twisting it off the vine and placing it into crates to protect the delicate skin. In contrast, processing tomatoes are harvested with mechanical tomato harvesters. These self-propelled machines cut entire plants at the base and feed them into an onboard system that strips away vines and leaves. Advanced optical sorters then separate ripe red fruit from green or damaged ones, discarding the latter. The selected tomatoes travel along conveyor belts into large holding bins before being transported directly to processing plants. Thanks to this technology, a single harvester can collect up to 60 tons of tomatoes per hour, replacing the labor of hundreds of workers. China, India, and the United States dominate global production, with California's Central Valley alone producing millions of tons each year, much of it destined for sauces, ketchup, and canned products. An industry worth nearly $190 billion worldwide, almost 19 times the value of the global plum and prune market.